ye. Me a medina he. Me nkuta concrete evidence biya to back up say. Sabi, they are onipa no be expose ni ye no say ye no kre anase enye no kre. That is not what I'm here to do. However, I'm coming to use that principle to sound a word of caution to our leadership, the NPP leadership. Because say yansha after nanado no enam in some fun your leadership when mu be dintino NPP ya ho betre yen daache. Mutie ni ye pa. Say yan start yan kasemu now. Yan start yan chichi sampenfo we yanim amoma amfa sabi omudua anso omudrosu amfa nye adwuma. After Nana Akofu Addo no NPP ya ho beye time obi akra wouldn't want to join us. Because ya wo group will be Ghana ya from ye na ya bro pepepe. Adia no wonye ya kra ne ya se waye. Same group ya making. Adia no wonye ye mpo no ya se waye. So how much more about to be giant leeway? Dear mom no menya kwan dia keka de omo beka. NPP for even though ya membu ko ya ye bo ni ye kra no still ya won krofo bi omu gina bonten ya den etuto bo de ba park no so. Obi benya wa na afiri wa wanu asem o. Obi ebenya wa na afiri wo. So obi ebetumi ayewa afiri wa nkasa. Sabe NDC for woman no propaganda no yetumi se na kose dem eye den eno ade ba. Na wan kasa wo de ade akomo on a silver platter. Mesremo Honorable John Boadu, you are the first I'm going to speak to. Because you say I didn't know profanity. So you are the first I will talk to. And after I will talk to my friends. These allegations that are going on, these exposés that has come on, say, no matter, and with all due respect, no matter how you try to defend it, whether it is true or it is not true, it has already dented the image and the white cloth you are wearing. For the fact, say, you bet me the baby sa crying then esusuno. It taints the white dress you are wearing. You are a leader, and a leader must lead by example. As a leader, you are supposed to whip your base in shape, not to disperse them. So if your attitude and the way you are acting and the way you are doing things is dispersing the base, you are not doing no good for the party. And I must be honest with you. You have brought us to power, yes, as a general secretary, we respect that. But that does not stop us from telling you, say, immorality cannot be the order of the day. If that is what you are engaged in, sir, with all due respect. If what you are engaged in is to be sending money and sleeping with people, and what pisses me off is say, senior, Honorable John Boadu, this type of shame. And I said, for somebody to even use you, somebody to even use your name, and say, we need John Boadu after that. It does not speak well. Like I said, leadership by example. Leadership by example. Now, maybe your artist sentiment me I can say that show. I decided, say, me so bad me in Juma in terms of music. Me no video, me no there, me no one change. And there's a reason for that. Because as an artist, say girls no mo born say mo mama. Say girls no mo yeah. Oh, he's good, no. Say me try me hundi omu ni na da. When be me fan. Me patomutie. Mr. John Boadu, I'm an artist. Okay? I'm an artist. And what I'm telling you is say, should I, because it's a girl be able to go me so slim flex inti. Say me man no ya me de. Now say my die. Me chicha ne set of it. Emo baby am in the year juma no baby am mesia na. Every be baba. Me ko baby say me kobo show. Instead of say menya fans, so menya haters. Because they be so na we breaking girls bear for heart. Into mo me your fans view. So I always do. I'm not perfect. Hey, listen to me. I'm not perfect. But when it comes to those kind of life, I try my best to discipline myself. So the beya obia nyame. About the my life, Sana, me do my best to pass and discipline everything, but I try to discipline myself. Ain't it, Mr. John Boadu? You are the head. As to what this story is true or it's not true, we are not here to judge that. That is your private life. But what I'm saying is, do not let what you do privately impede on the progress of what you are supposed to do for the public sector. That is my humble plea. And must have a private life for a lady. Sabi we Jamaya and I won't play be a watching aside. And you know, this all speaks for into a party, no. All of a sudden, not end this for Omunia Bemu, someone of my control. No. Because when you're doing all of these things, when you are doing all of these things, it will be very hard for you to correct somebody who is doing wrong. And that is why I have said, if this is true, this is the allegations that is out. But if this is true, I plead with just anyone that is involved in it. Mumfa a stop to it, mbra. Sabi mo ba chimpuna, mumpe kwanya mo ba chimpuna, en kofe di mboni en fanya den, en fambre ye party no. Please. Say if that is the life some of you are struggling to beat, what things we are fighting hard to overcome. Some are addicted to this, some are addicted to that. Yes, but you should make sure, say, your private life is not impeding on the progress of the office that you occupy. Because the office you occupy is very, very, very important. The office you occupy is very, very important. And you must always make sure, say, you keep that office neat. And the Honorable John Boadu, I love you so much, but I have to tell you the truth. If this thing that is going on in social media is true, then we will plead with you to please calm your horses and whip your base back. Because oh shit, because they say no, the Amoyan they say obi a grassroots supporter. Na so te say sabi omo grassroots ho. Di omo be di kura no mo fa mo. Kakra say ko ho na nko ho. Na nso mutumi so esika be say 200 million ya de ade say yemfa nko ya abortion na sebi predia san emwa. Mahama ye bi no mekaye. Enti say ampasa musumu ye bia e say meka. Moti ase Mahama okoto to diamond trace no to bi ko no me de manu kese we betena ha eka bi